Hello everyone, so I'm inside Dollarama and there are a few new things here to me. I don't recall seeing the Hot Wheels or the Barbie activity books before. Maybe they're hanging somewhere usually? No, they don't even have the little hanging thing. Here's a giant coloring book or activity book. Yeah, activity book. And they also have Paw Patrol. It looks like there are some new coloring books here. We'll flip through. So one side is colored images and then the other is a black and white print. I don't know, what do you think? It's a little different, right? And they have different themes. These are really long. They remind me of like a preschool book. I love this. What a great find. So I think these are brand new. I have never noticed them. I think I'm going to grab this one for my niece. It is all about the farm animals. I can't open it here. Struggling. Oh my gosh, it's so long. Anyways, I think you get the point here. It has little cows and pigs and farm animals. I think this would be a good little activity with her when she's a little older. And they have the Sudoku, word searches, crosswords. Oh, and here are some classic novels, which are also new to me. And these are the types of things I like getting sometimes because you can deconstruct them for paper crafts. But I'm not a huge fan of these images. Super Mario Nintendo 2024 edition. So if you have a Mario Brothers fan, that's cute. It's very colorful. It's a little bit too busy for me, but other kids might enjoy. A kiddo might enjoy it. They have TikTok. I don't know about. Oh, and Barbie, Pokemon, and some farm crossword. These are such great activity books for kids. I really like stuff like this. Here are some. I was thinking of like a little travel book. If you're traveling on an airplane or in a car, these types of things can keep, an older kid entertained for a while. We used to have teeny tiny ones. I think we bought them at Cracker Barrel in the US years ago, and the kids loved them when they were little. We would do them in the car. Among Us, is that still trendy? I know it was popular a few years ago. These are new, Hot Wheels, and they're actually, some of them are metal. Paw Patrol. Some new to me. Again, I'm not really looking at toys all that often, but I feel like these are brand name new items. These are wood building blocks and would be perfect if you have Elf on the Shelf, so they can construct something. You can even paint it brown and make it look like little gingerbread theme. Add little details to it. I think that would be fun. Exploding Minions. I think this belongs to the Exploding Cats game, if that's the right... No, Exploding Kittens is the name of the game. So I'm not sure if that'd be something my daughter would like. I should ask her about this. They have Monopoly, Cocomelon. These little travel kits, how do they work? They just look too teeny for me. Like Connect 4 maybe, but Monopoly? Booster boards, and it looks like there's a variety. I don't know what the price is. I can't see it on here, but this is Bluey. And then I don't know what the quality is once it's opened. Sometimes the prints are not the greatest, so if they're vibrant, let us know. These are adorable, and they have a little bow. I'm going to grab them for my daughter. Also a newer find, they're thick board books, chunky little board books. I love this ribbon for wrapping any type of gift. Birthday, Christmas, Lots of foil sheets here and other colors as well, all your standards. Some have 20, some have 8 pages, so just be mindful of what tissue you're getting. Oh, this is heavy. There's 2 in here. Why would that be? Do others come with a roll? No, this one's one. You can tell the weight as soon as you pick it up. It's quite heavy. Anyways, maybe it was an accident. It's weird. Yeah, it must be just a coincidence that that one I picked out had 2. It was quite heavy. Let's see if these are dualed. Nope, they're empty as well. Anyways, very bizarre. These are actually great for making gift baskets. Hot chocolate balls, milk chocolate M&Ms. I'm not sure if this is a good value, but looks like fun to put in maybe a stocking stuffer, or if you're doing a hot chocolate movie night. They have the mini eggs as well, Hot Wheels, lots of candy canes, tiny little, more of like the vintage, I guess, chocolate, milk chocolate. They're so cute. I don't know if they taste any good, but these are little hearts, it looks like. A little Santa boot. Who loves these? I've never had them myself, but I see them every year out for Christmas. These napkins are adorable if you're doing a movie night with the popcorn theme. $10 in a pack. That's really great. These are brand named socks, something you would typically find at Marshall's. And you definitely wouldn't be paying $5. For a second, I thought these were Spider-Man, but they're not. They have some, oh, they have writing on the back. Can't hang those, they don't have a hanger. K-Bell, this is another brand name. They have some really great options right now for socks, especially Christmas prints too. Cute, super cute. Super Mario Brothers, so there you go. You can put this with the 2024 book. You can do a Mario theme. I found the little figurines as well. Mario figure, Luigi, Yoshi. Oh, here's some more of those K-Bell socks. Football, it's cute. Baseball lover. Game of Thrones. This looks like a fun pair of socks for a math wizard, I guess. I don't know. I love these. They're glittery. It's hard to see, but they have a shimmer to them. Minions pajamas. And they're the ladies' joggers. Really soft. And then they have these plushy types of pants, but I find them too warm and thick. Anyone like wearing them? Yeah, it looks like these are for Valentine's. These have the gummy bear print. They have the macaroon. There's, yep, shorts as well with the macaroons. Lots of different slippers. 7, but they're the sport briefs, so they're probably not as popular as the boxer briefs, but at least you get a whole big box of them. These have a price tag of $8.95. I don't don't know how much they are selling for here, but it looks like a brand name as well. I'm not familiar with them, but these are the patterns here. And these go, I just saw them. Great little value pack as well. Anyways, lots and lots of socks to choose from. I know socks is kind of like a stocking stuffer thing, so that's why I'm spending a little bit extra time here. Normally I zoom past this stuff. And here's some shoe protector as well, and it's made by Good Line Kiwi. Has anyone tried these? These are great for indoor snowball fights, I guess. Keep the kids busy. And they're super soft. I think they'd be okay. We haven't had enough snow, but if you're looking in your area where there might be more snow, they have these in the sock area. So weird. The snow brick and the block. 8 packs. This might be a pretty good, maybe not. I don't know, I'll think about it, but it has a few packs in it, so it's good to have up in the car. Wonder why people take things off the shelf and then just throw them. I just don't get that. Just put it back on the peg. It's not that hard. It keeps the store neat and tidy. Don't you like shopping in a nice and clean environment? If you do, then put your stuff back. Anyways, more fluff. So there's lots here. See, these things were taken off the shelf, and then it makes it harder for the staff too. Are these a good value? I think they are, because I believe I've seen them for $6.99. Ninjago, $6.99 maybe at Toys R Us. I'm not sure. But I do believe right now there are no taxes at Toys R Us. I'm not sure about here at Dollarama. Little bluey set. I'm not really sure what it is, but they have a princess one as well. These are made by iDesign. I don't recall ever seeing a deep dish like this. A deep pie dish. And then there are these really tall water bottles, which kind of remind me of the Stanley. Look very similar. And they have these. They're metal cups. I think I'm going to share maybe how to put together a burr basket here at Dollarama. I've never done that before, so we'll pick a basket. This one would actually do. And if not, we can get a Christmas one, but I'm going to do it like a self-care. I'm gonna grab a Starbucks. You can get whichever one flavor you think would be best. A package of popcorn. I'm gonna actually grab the spoon cedar clips because I think they're better quality. And I'm definitely grabbing a pack of these because they would be so much pricier at Marshall's. And I think I like the blue pattern. Yeah, these ones here are cute. And I have to throw these into the basket because why not? Now, you can get a really nice scarf at Dollarama. They have so many different ones, so just pick something that you think your recipient would love. They have a variety of them. And you can get some fancier gloves like these, but I'm just not sure that she would love them, so I'm going to stick to something just fuzzy, easy, quick to slip on and off. Something like this. And a beauty headband. So I had seen some with a few options, but I'll grab this one. And then you can just put everything together and cellophane it with the clear wrap from Dollarama, which we just saw in the gift section. You can add some treats like chocolates, depending on whoever is receiving it. You have yourself a beautiful gift basket. It could be for Christmas, a birthday. And then you just prop everything neat and tidy, right? You want to make sure that there's some tissue on the bottom holding things up. And then just push it, yeah, like prop things up so that they're not squished into the basket. On the headbands, there's some popcorn hiding in behind. I grabbed a little bar of soap, and of course I'll prop things up with tissue and then wrap it. Also wanted to share another option here, and that's with the Christmas basket. Isn't it beautiful? And then this is a nice scarf. I'm gonna add the slippers, I think, in here with this body butter. I think it will finish the look. Yeah, definitely with the slippers. There's something about them, makes it cozy. And then I put it in a Christmas soap. And there's some Cookie Pal. I wish Bear wasn't so picky. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollarama with me today, and until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.
I ain't afraid of the dark, 'cause once you let the light in, you won't see the beautiful stars shining down from afar. No, I ain't afraid of the dark. I don't mind the rain bringing life back. We can breathe again when dealing with the pain. No, I don't mind the rain. And ooh, that's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. And ooh, like a river flows, life will take you where you need to go. Getting old don't bother me, 'cause with eyes that's been through life, it's so much easier to see who I am and who I wanna be. No, getting old don't bother me. Truth can be a bitter pill, but it'll do you right and set you free the way a lie never will. Like climbing up the steepest hill, but truth can be a bitter pill.